Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, please hit that subscribe button and join my family. In this video, we are going to be reviewing the 6-color translucent jelly poly gel nail kit. So as you can see, it comes in this very beautiful, beautiful box. And before we get started, I'll go ahead and tell you my affiliate code with Makartt is down below with my discount code. So you can either click on my affiliate link, follow that, or you can just use my code. It's up to you guys. So this is $50.99 on the Makartt website. And of course you will save money with my code if you want to order this. We are going to be using the Erykah pipe nails today. I have cut them down. And I actually am doing something a little different, but I'm going to show you what we're going to be doing. Alright, so it looks like we got another base and another top coat. And these are always really nice. Their top and base coat are really, really nice. You get their slip solution, which you can also use as a cleanser for your nails. You get 6 transparent polygels. Magenta, you get light slate, coral, celeste, mauve, and lemon chiffon. So I will swatch those out for you guys so you can see what they look like. You will also get dual forms, and stay tuned, I will be doing a dual form series. Alright, so you also get a premium Makartt 100-180 professional washable file. You get their how-to manual, and then you get your brush and spatula combo. And it's got these really beautiful, like, little diamonds, little accents. Alright, so moving from this side to this side, we have the coral, we have the lemon chiffon, the celeste, mauve, the light slate, and the magenta. And as you can see, they are all very sheer, very, very pretty. They really look to be very nice. They really look to be kind of like crystal clear, but just with a color. So really excited about that. They are gorgeous. I'm going to be using their base coat as my slip solution. I'm going to put their base coat right on top of the palette. You can wash this right off. It's not going to hurt anything. Okay, so you do want to go ahead and prep your nails. Go ahead and put your dehydrator, your primer, your base coat, all that good stuff on there. I have already gotten my nail guards on. So Gina actually also sent me this, the netting. Alright, so what you can use to adhere this stuff is you can use the base gel to adhere it, or you can use like a foil glue or something. And in this case, I'm using a foil glue just because it is a lot stickier and it helps lay down that sheer. It helps lay down this stuff a lot easier for me. So what you're going to do first, you're going to take your nail, you're going to measure it and kind of see how big of a piece you need, and then cut it. I'm going to take my Burano. I know I'm using another product in the video, guys, but I have to for this step. Now, like I said, you can use a base gel, but the base gel just was not working for me the other day. So I am going to use the foil glue, and I am just going to put it in there very, very thinly. And then what I'm going to do, I'm not going to cure for 1 minute. I'm going to cure for 30 seconds. Alright, once it's cured, I'm going to take a little tool, and I'm going to flip it to where the glitter is on the outside. So the glitter is going to go on the, it's going to go up on top, you know what I mean? If that makes any sense. You're going to be able to see the glitter, period, is what I'm trying to say. So I'm going to just press that down right in there. I'm going to take my little tool, and I'm just going to push that in there. And then what I do is I'm going to take the foil glue again real quick, And I'm just going to wipe the foil glue off, the brush off, and just push down on that netting, and that's going to secure it. And then we're going to cure that again for about 30 seconds. Alright, once you have that done, you can take your scissors and you can go ahead and cut off any of the excess. And after you have your netting laid in, now you can add your polygel. But there are two colors that are probably going to have to go together, which I'm thinking is the coral and the magenta, because they're very similar in color. So we'll kind of make one of them two-toned. So we'll do the thumb two-toned. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, now I'm going to turn my light on, flip it over, line it up, go at like a 45-degree angle, press it down, and with this one you can actually see it going to your free edge. And once it gets there, you're going to go ahead and cure that under your light. Alright, so here's the first one. Now we're going to move on to the next four. guys, I went ahead, filed, shaped, and buffed them, and now we are going to add some bling. And I'm going to use these pastel blings I got from AliExpress, and I'll leave a link down below. I'm going to take the nail glue, and we're going to speed it up, and I'll let you watch as I apply my bling. So here we go. Enjoy. Alright guys, that is what the nails look like after top coating So now all we got to do is add our cuticle oil, and I'm going to use my Cafe Nail Products lavender cuticle oil. You can purchase these. Link is down below. They are incredible. They do have almond and coconut in them, so if you are allergic, just be careful or just don't get them. So, and they smell incredible. So I'm gonna just rub that in, make them look nice. And there we have my Makartt transparent polygel nails. Please let me know what you guys think down below. Like the video, share it with a friend, subscribe if you're new. Don't forget to click the notification bell so that you won't miss another video. And I will see you guys in my next one. I hope you all have a wonderful week and a blessed day. Bye.